Hey there, Fresh Bob. We've got a night full of events. Let's go. Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday. Last night was busy. I'm doing some skincare. I don't know how much content I got last night because it was quite, I do feel like I was running around a bit. Went to the Madewell event for like 20 minutes. Saw some people, said hi. Then I like bopped on over to Tribeca and went to a meta event with Atlantic Records for the Charlie XCX Wuthering Heights soundtrack listening party, and that was cute. It was at Maxwell House, which has like a beautiful library room, and we had like a long dinner table. It was beautiful. Food was fantastic, so good. Had a couple glasses of wine, really can't complain. And then I saw Wuthering Heights, baby. Here's the thing, based on the casting alone, you knew it was gonna be an unserious film. Like, you knew there was just, we were not thinking with our brains, okay? We were there to be goofy, maybe, to be entertained. And to be fair, like, I do think it's entertaining. I do feel like a bit biased because I'm not the biggest Emerald Fennell fan in general. And I'm gonna iron out my thoughts more for the weekly. But to be honest, I don't even think it's like that interesting of a movie to like warrant more than 250 words, if I'm being honest. Like, my camera is dying, which I think is a sign for me to shut up. Yeah, let's get ready for the day. Happy Wednesday. Hello. It is now many days later. I went to Target to restock some stuff. Toilet bowl cleaner, an essential, and then some magic erasers. I think I'm gonna take these to some of my floorboards that are a little dirty. Yeah. Also, I mark out my address on most of my packages, and I got this like massive Sharpie. It's kind of scary. Kerastase sent this like scalp massager thing. I gotta use it. Let's see. Ooh, that actually feels kind of nice. But you're supposed to use it with the fortifying serum that you put on dry hair. I'm like actually kind of curious about this. Sent me the bath bomb and then these fuzzy socks, and then I'm assuming these are reusable eye patches. I keep doing it. They're not eye patches, they're eye masks. I think they sent me these reusable eye masks. So that was a cutie little package from them, very like Galentine's themed. So thank you, Kerastase. Also, I don't know how they got my address. That happens sometimes and I get freaked out. And then I'm like, it's okay. I'm sure like it's some PR company that has my address and they just sent me stuff, but. Oh, and then they also sent the 5-minute journal, which I've never actually used this, but I do love a little journal moment, so this is cute. So yes, also have some other stuff. I didn't know L'Occitane also did no, see, they call them patches. They call them eye patches, but I feel like masks is the appropriate term. Anyway, eye masks, sheet mask, tubing mascara from CoverGirl. Been really loving a brown mascara moment. And yeah, okay, on that note, we're gonna put all that away and then we're gonna start in the bathroom. Cutie. Let's do it. Ooh. I knew I picked at that too long. Happy Saturday. It is February 28th. February was really nice because it like lined up perfectly on the like calendar. So today's Saturday and tomorrow's the 1st and it's a Sunday, and I just feel like that's correct. So naturally I was like, okay, well we have to do our March reset today. I'm about to lock in on a playlist. I think I'm gonna listen to, see, I don't know, because I have like my Saturday cleaning playlist, but then I also have my winter beats playlist that I've really been enjoying. We'll pick something, I'm not sure. I'm not 100% positive. But I got some things in the mail, so I'm gonna unbox and put that away. I had to pick up some more of my Swiffer Wet Jet. This is the lavender scent with Febreze. I actually kind of hate buying cleaning products because it's expensive and no one wants to buy that. I also picked up some Windex. This is like the one, well, I guess this is also name brand, but this Windex, for one, no other window cleaner really does it like Windex, okay? Her crown is secure. I met two very, very nice editors, publishers, I'm actually not 100% sure, from Melville House Publishing. So the lady I was talking to, she complimented my Dolce Vita red cowboy boots that I had on, and she was like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with them. And I was like, thank you, you have great taste. And we were talking and I was like, yeah, you know, I read a little bit of everything. And she's like, oh, do you want to read this like Western? I was like, you know what, why not? And I got it in the mail and it's called The Country Under Heaven. It's like Civil War era Union soldier, but is that not like an octopus? I saw the cover and was like, okay, slay. It's by Frederick Durbin. Have not looked into him at all, so hopefully he's not problematic, but we'll probably dig into this soon. My dad's like obsessed with Westerns, so I kind of want to read this and gather whether he'd be interested in it, so if I like it, I'll pass it on to him. Some goodies from Tarte, pretty much an entire face of Tarte products, so that could be a fun TikTok. I actually haven't tried too much from Tarte, and ironically my favorite product from Tarte is not in here. It's like the freckle pen stamp thing. 11 out of 10, really love that. Thank you. Next up we have Loops, which they sent me some mouth tape. I'm really not sure what the fascination with mouth tape is, but you know, I'll try anything once, to be honest. There's 10 in each pack, so almost like a month of product. You guys know I love Edam's Les Chouchou balms. They sent me two colors. It's like a frosty, one is like a frosted sparkly pink, but I love these. If there's one product that I'm like most people really like, it is this. It's sparkly pink vibe. Tooth Gap, love, reminds me, I was watching the America's Next Top Model documentary, and
Ira, Nigel, the Jays, and I can't remember the producer's name. Is it Ken Mock? He, like, none of them went into that like sit down portion like really prepared with anything like valuable to say. I just think like after decades of like having time to reflect, I expected them to be a little bit more reflective about like the harm that they did cause, because they definitely did cause a lot of it. It was definitely an interesting watch, especially if you like watch the show while it was like live on air on the CW. I remember the days. And then I'm trying a new brand. This is Aora Mexico, I think is how you say it, I'm not sure, but I got their eyeshadow palette, a lip serum, and an eye pencil. So I'm excited to try this. I've never tried anything from this brand, so, but I kind of love the bright packaging. It's like very fun. I'm going to finish cleaning. I've got a mop and Windex. Let's get into it. Play the Winter Beats playlist from Spotify.
Winter Beats from Spotify.
I don't know what the last thing I vlogged was, but I did my skincare. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll see you in the morning. Hello, good morning, happy Sunday. It's March 1st, the same day this video is going up. We're not playing around anymore, okay? Yeah, so I went to the grocery store, got a good haul. I haven't had a proper like grocery shop in a minute, so I was kind of living. I just haven't been cooking at home that much, which is weird because I do like cooking. Or like I like making meals, maybe that's a better way to say it, because I don't necessarily say it like, you get what I mean. We've got some mini sweet bell peppers. I usually snack on them with hummus. Mini baby cucumbers. Some peeled garlic. I needed some more light balsamic vinaigrette because I think I'm gonna make a dense bean salad. I got a pack of mini naan. Oh, also I painted my nails last night. The past like 2 or 3 years I've gotten really good at painting my own nails, which I'm proud of myself. Shredded mozzarella. My favorite yogurt of all time, Siggy's. Some 2% milk. My journey with milk has been really circular. What year was that? Like 2012, 2014? Like pivot from cow's milk to almond milk, and then went to oat milk, and then realized oat milk was shredding my stomach, and then went back to cow's milk. Roasted garlic hummus. Oh, Ben Stiller has a soda brand now, and they have a Shirley Temple, and it's so good. It's like my guilty pleasure. Wild Wonders tomatoes, a pack of the Sweetest Batch blackberries, whole wheat English muffins in my little Public Goods bag.
we have a red onion. And then I forgot to grab a pack of chicken, so I had to go back out. I actually really love this tote bag. I also forgot green onions, so I got a pack of green onion. Again, like I said, some chicken breasts. I also don't think I mentioned this, but I also been converted to Bear Bells protein bars. I got the cookie and cream flavor. Oh, and then never go to the grocery store hungry because you will just start picking up random shit. I got a pack of this fresh wild mint dark chocolate bar from the brand Up and Up. And I'm not gonna even hold you, I really feel like it was the branding that did me in. So shout out to the Up and Up design team. You got me. But yeah, that is the haul. I'm gonna put all this away and then I'm gonna make my mood board that I've been putting off for months. And then I think I'm gonna wrap the video up. So, happy Sunday. Hope you're having a good one. Cutie. Also, I did that mouth tape last night. Very, very odd experience. Hello, it's like an hour later. I wanted to go ahead and end off the vlog here. I did finish making my wallpaper for my phone and my iPad, so that's cool. Yeah, I'm chilling the rest of the day. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, especially if you made it this far, and give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited for more vlogs. The weather hopefully will improve over the next few weeks so we can be outside in New York. But yeah, cutie, I'll see you next week. Bye.